cash physical therapy ads aren't performing as well as you'd like them to, most of the time it's because you're not optimizing for the right thing, or because you just don't even know what you should be looking for and what you should be optimizing. So I'm going to break it down for you. Number one is the ad's only job is to generate clicks. If your ads are generating clicks, then they're actually getting the attention of people and they're raising their hand saying that they have that problem and that they're interested in what it is you have to say. Now, if you're getting the clicks, but you're not getting leads, that means the landing pages or wherever you're driving that traffic to aren't speaking to the hearts and minds of those people. And it's just not interesting them enough to want to give you their information. And so we need to optimize the headlines, the messaging, the videos that are on that page to make sure that we're attracting the right types of people, showing them that we understand them better than anyone else, and repelling the people that we don't want to have. Now, if you're generating the clicks and you're getting the leads, but you're not getting a hold of them, or they're not getting on the phone, or they are, but you're not converting them, then you have a lead nurturing or a sales problem. And so we don't need to tweak the ads or the funnels. We need to tweak the lead nurturing to get them to want to jump on a call. Then we need to optimize how we're explaining our services and triaging our patients to make sure that we're positioning ourselves as the only solution that's going to get them a quick, long-term result and back to the activities that they actually want to do. And so a lot of you're just a few tweaks away from your ads being really, really profitable. You're just solving for the wrong problem.